Alright, here we are. It is Sunday morning and day 2 of the NASA December. It is early. Everybody's still asleep, of course, but I'm awake because I decided today we are going to test NTT2. So we're going to rip these 3s off, we're going to put a 2 on there. We're going to re-register into 2. We're going to see what happens. Doesn't matter anymore. Championship points are done. We are going to win that, and it doesn't really matter. And I need to adjust that because of the new truck. It is a little bit higher, and this is a little too low for the bed. So I need to lower that down another notch, and then I will get the car prepared. So that's what we're gonna do. We will see you guys in a little bit.
Powered by Ocho.
Lots of noise, so I hope I can capture this. But you saw that session, super wet out there. The Miata hit the wall. I almost lost it in turn 1 on the outlap, so I already knew something was going to happen. And then that Ferrari passed under yellow. That'll be taken care of. He was a HPD4 guy, so not really in our wheelhouse. But yeah, don't do that ever, especially a double yellow full course. That's not it's not a section. So yeah, that was really bad. But anyways, he hopefully he'll get in trouble for that, or talked to and educated, and that's not my business. But that's where we'll leave it. We're gonna go back out. We'll see what happens the next session. Hopefully the track warms up and dries up, and we'll go fast. Car's pulling like a freight train, though. I'll tell you that much. We've got an extra 100 horsepower, and you can feel it. I think I was about 10 mile an hour faster, braking early though, because I knew the track was wet. So we'll see how it goes, but it's gonna be pretty awesome. All right, we'll see you on the track. All right, let's catch this real quick. That was a 2:15.8. So that's my personal best. Obviously not a record for TT2, but it is I think that puts us in first for TT2. So that I'm gonna do one more session, and then we're gonna hit the road. I don't know if it's got much more in it than that, though. Well, I mean, there was that caution, so I might have a little bit more in it. But yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes the next session. Because of that caution, though, I did let up a little bit, not a lot, but it definitely wasn't 100% going into that turn. So we'll see what happens the next session. One more, and we're gonna hit the road and go home. All right, we will see you on the track. All right, that's a wrap. That is season done. That was a crap session, as you saw, and yeah, let's get home. Let's dig into the car. I know I need a clutch. I think maybe pull the torque tube, check it out. But yeah, that's where we are. We're still P1 for the day, P1 yesterday, so that's cool. Yeah, let's back up. Let's get back to the shop. That's where we'll see you at the shop.
Powered by the old show.